A rarity, a condo with the square footage of a house, 2,050 square feet with walls of windows in every room, 2 walkouts to a private covered balcony, and huge open concept living, dining, and family room areas that fit full suites of furniture. Suite 1215 at 610 Bullock Drive is perched high above Unionville with soaring north, east, and west sunset views. Tridell's The Hunt Club is Unionville's most prestigious condo. It's like living in a luxury hotel with a 24-hour concierge and extensive amenities for your use, and of course, the ease of condo living. This is an elegant home that simplifies your life, allowing you to pack up and travel on a whim, and makes coming home every day such a pleasure. A spacious foyer welcomes you into the suite, providing excellent closet space and a proper entry before the expansive floor plan unfolds before you. The adjoining living and dining room have full walls of windows with panoramic views and feature crown moldings and an electric fireplace for cozy nights year-round, with a walkout to the balcony from the dining room. The separate den has walls of windows with north, east, and west views. Settle in and watch spectacular sunsets all year round, with snow falling softly on the neighborhood rooftops over the winter and watching the canopy of trees bloom back to life in the spring and change color in the fall, all from the comfort of your own family room. There is a large eating kitchen, upgraded with stylish countertops, ceramic backsplash with under-cabinet lighting, a full pantry, updated pot lighting and flooring, and a walkout to the covered balcony. The primary bedroom has absolute dream storage space with a large walk-in closet, a double closet, as well as an upgraded marble ensuite bathroom with double vanity with quartz countertops, an updated walk-in shower, soaker tub, and an additional built-in storage. The second bedroom has a walk-in closet and updated flooring, located conveniently close to the second full bathroom. The covered balcony is your oasis above it all, while away a summer afternoon with a bird's eye view of Markham. This floor plan offers an additional element rarely seen in a condo, a huge ensuite storage and laundry room. Imagine a condo with space for a drying rack or the ability to keep everything you want or need close by in an ensuite storage room. All fan coil units in the suite have also been replaced. One 10 by 10 foot storage locker is also included with this suite, along with 2 parking spots, one with an EV charger. The Hunt Club is Tridell's jewel of Markham and Unionville. It has recently been extensively renovated, offering an impressive foyer with 24-hour concierge, exceptional party room and recreational room facilities, a gym, an indoor pool, an outdoor pool, tennis courts, billiards room, squash courts, and guest suites. The location is ideal. You're directly across from Markville Mall and walking distance to the closest GO station. Unionville Main Street, shops, restaurants, and entertainment is close by, walkable along a series of nature trails. There's easy access to several transit lines at your door, and you're close to shopping, Highway 404 and 407, and several schools. This is a rare opportunity for a more affordable entry into a high-end building, offering ample interior and exterior space in a place you will love to call home. To find out more, call or text 416-888-5640, email us at info@walkerparker.ca, or visit us online at www.walkerparker.ca.